Ludwigia arcuata. My experience with this underrated beauty. For any freshwater aquarium enthusiast, the allure of vibrant plants is undeniable. They not only oxygenate the water, but also create a breathtaking underwater landscape. Among the many stunning options, Ludwigia arcuata has become a personal favorite. Let's delve into this beautiful and relatively easy-to-care-for plant, addressing some common questions and exploring its unique characteristics. What is Ludwigia arcuata? Ludwigia arcuata, also known as the curve-leaved Ludwigia, is a stunning freshwater stem plant. It boasts slender stems adorned with delicate, needle-like leaves. The color of these leaves can range from a vibrant green to a captivating orange-red, depending on the lighting conditions. In ideal settings, the upper portions of the plant can transform into a fiery red, adding a pop of color to your aquarium. How does Ludwigia arcuata differ from other popular stem plants? While Ludwigia arcuata shares some similarities with other stem plants like Ludwigia repens and Ludwigia senegalensis, there are key distinctions. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaf shape. Ludwigia arcuata features distinct needle-like leaves, while repens has broader, more rounded leaves. Senegalensis has even wider, strap-like leaves. Coloration. Arcuata boasts a vibrant red coloration when given sufficient light. Repens and Senegalensis primarily remain green with occasional reddish hues. Growth pattern. Arcuata grows in a bushier fashion compared to the more sprawling growth of repens and Senegalensis. Ultimately, the choice between these plants depends on your desired aesthetic and tank layout. Arcuata's delicate form and potential for fiery red hues make it a standout choice for those seeking a unique and eye-catching addition. Is Ludwigia arcuata easy to care for? Absolutely. Ludwigia arcuata is a forgiving plant, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced aquascapers. Here's what you need to know. Lighting. Moderate to high-intensity lighting is crucial. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of light per day. LED lights or fluorescent tubes with a color temperature of 6,500 K are perfect for mimicking natural sunlight and promoting vibrant colors. Water parameters. Ludwigia arcuata thrives in a wide range of water parameters. A neutral pH, around 7.0, and a water temperature between 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 28 degrees Celsius, are ideal. Substrate. While not overly demanding, a nutrient-rich substrate like aquasoil will provide optimal growth. CO2 injection. Not mandatory, but can enhance growth and promote a bushier appearance. Maintenance. Regular pruning is beneficial. Simply trim off any dead leaves or overgrown stems to encourage healthy growth and maintain the desired shape. How can I achieve the vibrant red coloration in Ludwigia arcuata? The key to unlocking the fiery red hues of Ludwigia arcuata lies in lighting. Here are some tips. Increase light intensity. Provide your plant with high-intensity lighting for at least 8 to 10 hours daily. Iron supplementation. Ensure adequate iron levels in your water. Iron deficiency can lead to a dull green coloration. CO2 injection. While not essential, CO2 injection can further enhance the red tones. Remember, a bit of experimentation is key. Observe your plant's response to different lighting intensities and adjust accordingly. Where should I plant Ludwigia arcuata in my aquarium? Ludwigia arcuata's versatility makes it suitable for various placements. Background. Planted in the back of your tank, it can create a stunning backdrop with its fiery red hues. Midground. When pruned regularly, it can form a beautiful, bushy centerpiece. Groups. Planting multiple stems in clusters can create a visually appealing effect. The placement ultimately depends on your desired aesthetic and the overall layout of your aquarium. Can Ludwigia arcuata help with algae control? Yes, Ludwigia arcuata can play a role in managing algae growth. By consuming nutrients from the water column, it helps prevent excess nutrients that fuel algae blooms. However, it's important to maintain a good balance between plants and fish to ensure adequate nutrient uptake. In conclusion, Ludwigia arcuata is a captivating and relatively easy-to-care-for freshwater plant. Its delicate form, vibrant color potential, and adaptability make it a valuable addition to any aquarium. With proper care and a touch of experimentation, you can cultivate a thriving Ludwigia arcuata that adds a touch of elegance and fiery beauty to your underwater world.